Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of Indeed job search and we click here. In this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.